All right, I'm the flatratemaster, and what the heck is with all the Chat GPT videos? If you're living under a rock, you may not have seen this. If you're not into technology, you may not have heard of this. So what am I talking about? Chat GPT is an AI language model. It is artificial intelligence. You ask it a question, it spits out a response. You can use it to, it's already happening where college kids are using it to literally write papers, etc., and it's becoming, well, talked about a lot for service writers to write customer responses. It's being used in other industries to write emails, etc., and it just strikes me as incredibly lazy. Skynet aside, artificial intelligence does kind of show how, well, people will do anything not to do work. Oh, I don't have to write an email. I can just put this information into ChatGPT. It'll spit out an email for this customer, and I can just copy and paste it, and I'm done. Take the couple minutes and write an email. Unless you peck at the keys, write the email. Like I said, it's cool to experiment with new technologies. There's lots of videos about fixing cars, computers, etc. with ChatGPT. And there's been a lot of discussion about service writers using ChatGPT. I think it's an interesting technology. Skynet aside, taking over the world, AI. Thinking about this, service writers, you really don't want ChatGPT in your shop. Why? They're going to need less of you. It literally could replace your job as more and more communication is done through text and email. As ChatGPT becomes better and better, they're going to need less of you because, with DVIs and ChatGPT sending the report to them and etc., you need one person and they can manage way more tickets. So maybe you should stop using it. Write your own emails. They're not that hard. It's seriously, I think I literally find it hilarious that it's become so prevalent and you're basically asking it to replace you as an employee. That is literally what's going to happen. The shop owner realizes with the prevalence of electronic communication, which I believe most is still done via electronic communication. So you need a lot less people when all you got to do is type in what you need from ChatGPT. It spits it out. You email it. 2 minutes, you're done. Why do you need 3 service writers when one can do the job now? Our service writer is going to be replaced by ChatGPT bots and one person sitting at a computer asking it what to say, and it's spitting it out. Sorry, I'm just a little tired of everything in my feed being ChatGPT. ChatGPT fix this car. ChatGPT fix this computer. ChatGPT. Over it. So I know this was ranty. So thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.